Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of highlights on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve highlights on Discord app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Discord. After that, you'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.